Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily add your own image in Doodly and how you can simply also draft paths for your images in Doodly. So let's start. So the first thing, how you can add image. What you want to do is just be in your scene here, then click on a props and click plus here. Right then you're going to see browse files and then choose an image you want to upload. Okay, voila, here we got it. So here we got the image. You can change the colors, you can change the settings here, you can flip it, bring forward or send backward. But what we are going to do, we are going to draft paths here. So let's click edit. So voila, here we have it. First, on the right side, you can see the live preview. Then you're gonna see background, black transparent, that you can change. I'm going to leave white. And now you're gonna see tools. So the tools is going to be move point, add point, and delete point. I'm going to explain how it works. So when I'm on the path 1 here. So what I'm going to do, let's say that I want to start painting from this point. So I click plus here. Okay. Now this is the beginning. And as you can see, you don't see anything on live preview. So this is going to be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, pretty simple, pretty easy. But right now, as you can see, the line is really like not that big. So I'm going to increase the path size. Do you see? Perfect, right? Then what you can do is to move. When I'm going to click on a move point tool, I can move it. So, okay, now I'm going to finish it with a plus here. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to, like, let's say I'm going to add a new path here. That's what you can do too. But I'm going to decrease the path. So this is really important, right? Do you see? So next to the car needs to be a little bit decreased because I don't want to target my... I want to do it like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to zoom in right now. And let's create it. So this is where it's going to end. Now here, I'm going to click on a new path. And I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to decrease my... Let's see how it looks like. Now again. New path. Path size decreased. Move this a little bit. Okay. And we are just going to finish it like this. See? Perfect, right? No. So this needs to be moved like this. This needs to be up. Okay, like this. Also, this needs to be moved. So everything is going to be covered. And I can see that it's looking pretty good, right? I could even like increase a little bit of the size of it. I can do that. And then again, I'm going to click plus here. So this is pretty easy. And always you can see on the right top the preview. So again, this is going to be a little bit difficult too. But we need to move it. So tool. See, so I'm going to delete this one and this one. So let's say I'm going to do it like this. And I'm going to move it. Yeah, and this is a little bit difficult how we can actually draw it out. But I think if I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a new draft path. Okay, this is fine. So I'm going to create a new path. Okay, let's see on live preview. This is bad. I need to remove this. This is too fast to make it like this. So path 2. Okay. But no. So as you can see, it's always going to take a little bit of time to manage it. Right? And right here, I'm going to have the new path 3. Click plus. Okay, here we go. So I'll just create this as just for tutorial, so you see how it is. Okay. Now let's continue to here. Move. Nice. So as you can see, we got it finished. Okay, we have it. And now what I'm going to do, we have to do the windows and then the wheels. So let's create a new path here. This is going to be path 4. And now just make it bigger. Like this, to cover literally everything here. Okay, this is going to be the first window. Now, oh, this is not what I wanted. Now, new path. Okay, now again, new path. Let's go for the door opener, and then we will create everything else. So again, new path, and now what you can do is just see, this is pretty bad. So let's make it normal. Oh no. New path. Creating new paths is really important. Only because it's going to connect with multiple things. So like this. Then new path again. So I'll just finish it so we can just see how it's going to work out, okay? Like this, and same with another. And this is pretty simple. All you have to do is then just like play around with things. Okay, and new path again. And you can always also change the animation duration on the right side. So like this. And let's see. Okay, save and return. And now preview. Voila. And I'm going to make it even like longer. So the animation is going to take a little bit more time. Even longer. See? Pretty simple, pretty easy. And this is how you can add your own image and how you can draft path in Doodly. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah. Perfect. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.